This video is designed to show you how to assemble the plastic mulch layer attachment for the BCS tractor from the parts packed here in the crate. There are no tools required for this assembly. Once everything is removed from the crate, you should see the following pieces: a large frame with attached quick hitch tang, a pair of openers with clamps to attach, a pair of disc openers, a pair of press wheels and clamps, and a pair of closers with clamps. Due to their adjustable collars and spacers, the mulch roll support tubes can accommodate both 36 and 48-inch rolls of plastic. To adjust the rollers for the desired size, pull the linch pin from one end of each tube and slide the tube's support bar out. Then rearrange the collar and 6-inch PVC spacer like so, replacing the metal spacers at the edge. Repeat this for the other side. Both support tubes must be set to the same width. Assemble the clamps for the press wheels and attach each one like so, inserted through the clamp on the side of the middle bar closest to the support tubes. Set to the appropriate height and tighten each clamp. Next, you will install the closers. Holding the shank with the flat side down, look at which side curves upward. If it's the side on your left, install that on the left side of the implement, like so, at an angle with the bend facing you. Install the opposite bending closer on the other side. Note that these are installed on the outside of the rear bar. Now, at the front of the implement, sort the openers to the appropriate side. With the shanks pointing away from you, the point of each opener should be facing toward the center of the implement. Install each one like so, on the outside of the front bar. If you intend to lay mulch over raised beds, the included disc openers should be installed instead of the standard openers. Using the same clamps as the standard openers, install the discs at an angle like so, with the open portion facing outward. If you have the optional drip tape layer, you can install that now. The drip tape layer kit will include a hollow shovel and its attaching hardware, and the pieces of the spool holder assembly, including its 2-part bracket with tightener, 2 collars, a spring, and hardware to attach. The shovel can be installed anywhere on the front end of the plastic mulch layer. In most instances, the most desirable position is in the center, and the mounting flange was designed with enough clearance for this purpose. Install the shovel on the inside of the front bar. Attach the square, vertical shaft of the spool holder with its clamp on the inside of the rear bar. Now slide one of the collars onto the round shaft of the spool holder, flat side out, and then insert this through the spool of drip tape. On the other side of the spool, slide on the other collar, flat side in, and follow it with the spring. Carry this over to the vertical shaft of the holder and insert it through the hole at the top. Compress the spring just enough to hold everything in place while still allowing the spool of tape to turn, and tighten in place. Depending on the size of the tractor's tires, the condition and type of soil worked, and preference for the amount of exposed plastic, several adjustments will need to be made in the field. This is why nearly every aspect of the implement is adjustable. There is no standard setting for the openers, closers, or press wheels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.